Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eman. So today I'm doing a celebrity recreation. I have not done this in a while, so I'm super excited. I'm doing a Lana Del Rey look. I love Lana's makeup. I'm recreating her staple winged cat eye that she always wears so beautifully. I'm starting off by priming my skin with the Smashbox Primizer. This is a great moisturizer slash primer in one. It's a great way to prep your skin before foundation. And I'm prepping my lips with the Dior Makeup Lip Maximizer. This stuff gives a little bit of plumping to your lips as well. I love using this to prep my lips for any type of makeup look. I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Foundation. I've been kind of playing around with my foundations lately because there's so many great ones out right now. I love just switching it up to see which ones I'm loving, and this Smashbox foundation is definitely one of them. It gives your skin such a beautiful even texture without looking heavy, without looking cakey. I would say this is a pretty good medium to light coverage. I'm going to jump right into the eyes, you guys, because that's really the main part of Lana's look. We know she does that staple winged liner. I'm starting off with my Catrice Bronzed AF eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this mid-tone crease shade just to carve out my crease a little bit. This is just going to give the eyes a little bit of shape. And then I'm going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. This eyeliner is amazing, you guys. Literally, ever since it's come out, it is the only eyeliner I use. I also really love the one from Oma Beauty, but this one from Too Faced has been my go-to. I've pretty much quit using any other eyeliner because it's just so good. So the trick with Lana's liner is that she really extends it past her natural lash line. That is what makes her liner stand out. So what I'm doing is just really gently pulling on the outer corner of my eye to kind of stretch out my eye a little bit to get that shape. Once I see that shape, I naturally follow it with the liner. I really take my time with this, you guys. I slowly build on it, draw the line, look at the shape, take a second, go back, make it a little bit thicker. I go from the inner corner out and also from the wing inward. So I kind of play around with both directions. For the most part, I'm pulling out that outer corner just to really see that shape. Her liner is a little bit more long and thin rather than round and thick. I love the tip on the Too Faced liner because it's kind of like a brush and a felt tip all in one, and it's super black, so it's just so easy to use. All right, liner is done. Moving on, I'm using the Dior Brow Shadow just to fill in my brows and give them a nice strong shape because that's another staple of Lana's look, and the brows are really going to help frame your eyes and the eyeliner. Once I filled in a little bit with the brow shadow, I'm going in with the Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil number 4. This is definitely one of my favorite brow pencils. I use it all the time. It's just a perfect color, and the texture is really waxy, so it's stays on and looks super natural. To perfect the brows even more, I don't always do this, but I'm doing it for this look. I'm taking a bit of concealer and just cleaning up around the brow to make sure it looks super clean and super sharp. And then finally, to set them, I'm using a bit of brow gel. Moving on to lashes, I'm using the Ardell Wispies number 700. These are a little bit longer, a little bit wispier, which is great when you're doing a look like this with eyeliner because you want the lashes to be a little bit longer so you can see them past the liner. Okay, I'm loving how this is looking so far, you guys. I'm moving on to concealer. I'm using definitely one of my favorites, the NARS Natural Radiance Creamy Concealer. And the shade that I use is Cannelle. This is going to totally clean up the eye look. And then setting everything with the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. This is the best powder, you guys, because it's super affordable. It's a compact and it looks amazing on your skin. This is one of my favorite powders to use. And the shade that I use is 130. I'm also bronzing up my skin with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow in the shade Medium Deep. This has been my go-to product for bronzer lately, and I love using it with the brush that it comes with because it kind of works as great for contouring and bronzing. And then I'm going over that with a little bit of the Elsie bronzer as well because the two tones together look so good. For blush, I'm using the Bare Minerals blush. I'm going to list all the shades and everything that I use below for you guys to check out. These blushes for Bare Minerals are some of my favorites, and I just wanted a really rosy cheek because that's what Lana always has. To finish off the eyes, I'm doing a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line using the Hourglass Caution Mascara, one of my favorites. That will complete the eye look. For the lips, we gotta go super pouty since this is a Lana look. And you guys are gonna hate me, but I'm using the Buxom Plump Line liners again. I know, I'm obsessed. I've been using them in almost every video lately. They're so good, you guys. I'll list the colors below, and I just lined my entire lip and filled in. And then I went over it with this gloss from Neutrogena. You guys have to get this gloss. This is the perfect shade. Literally, you will use this almost every single day because this shade is so good. I tried to get more the other day and they were sold out. So if you can get your hands on it, definitely do. I don't have the shade in front of me right now, but I will list it for you guys below. And then finishing off the skin, I'm using my palette from Catrice, the Lit highlighter palette. I'm using all the different shades to highlight all over my skin. Lana's look is usually pretty matte, but hey, I decided to add a little bit of highlighter in all my favorite places just to bring some life to my skin. That is my Lana Del Rey look, you guys. I love her makeup. She always does such a beautiful job with her wing liner. That's the staple. If you've seen the music video with her and Miley and Ariana, leave me a black heart emoji down below. Then I'll know that you watched till the very end of this video. And let me know what you think of the music video because I personally thought it was a little bit cringe. I didn't love it. Lana's part was my favorite, but hey, let me know what you guys think. Hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, add me on Instagram at Eman. And I hope you guys love this look. Let me know, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon.